One rainy day, thunder roared and lightning flashed. Tom sat by the window, watching the rain pour down. Suddenly, he noticed Jerry outside, shivering in the cold and completely soaked. At first, Tom laughed and said, "Ha! Serves you right for stealing my milk every day." But after a moment, Tom's heart softened. He picked up an old umbrella, walked outside, and held it over Jerry. Jerry looked up in surprise. "Tom, you're helping me?" Tom smiled and said, "Yes, rain falls on everyone the same way." Jerry smiled too. They both went back inside and shared some more milk together. From that day, they weren't just enemies, they became friends. Moral: helping others in tough times is the true act of bravery. Even enemies can become friends through kindness. Heart.